Welcome back to another installment of Just the Tip. Today I have a very special treat for you. I invented something today. I needed to flare this piece of tubing. This is 2 1/4. I needed to fit inside of this 2 1/2. As you can see, it's a little bit too small, got a lot of gap. I need to be able to flare this out. So, using the power of my mind, I don't know where I got that from, I've came up with a way to reuse my Dimple dies. And what I'm actually gonna do here is I'm simply gonna use this beveled edge to flare my tube. Let's check it out. Let's check it out here. Now you can use, obviously a hydraulic press is the best thing. This particular unit, air over hydraulic, as you can see there's an airline hooked up, but it's just a manual unit that has a hydraulic, air over hydraulic adapter to it. So you can do it manually or you can do it hydraulically. So you can also do this in a vise. If it's thin enough, you might be able to get away with it. We'll get on that POV. Ho ho! Bam! Now we have a nice flare that fits right inside of our piece and no ugly gap. Great reuse of a Dimple die that you probably didn't even know that you had, you can reuse. So hope you enjoyed that. If you find yourself enjoying the content, consider subscribing to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. If you have any other ideas on tips and tricks or tools or anything like that, drop them down in the comments. I'll check it out and I'll see what we can come up with for next time. So thanks for watching. I came up with something. What did I come up with? Where is it? Is it over here? There you have it. Hope you enjoyed that. If you enjoyed, yeah, a little bit.